section 1, and we are in kingdom prayers and decrees. So it says, let your kingdom advance and be established through preaching, teaching, and healing. Matthew 4:23. Let the gates of my life and city be opened for the glory for the King of glory to come in. Psalms 24:7. Lord, you reign. You are clothed with majesty and strength. Your throne is established of old. You are from everlasting. Psalms 93:1 and 2. Lord, you are a great king above all gods. Psalm 95:3. Let the heathen hear that the Lord reigns. Psalms 96:10. Lord, you reign. Let the people tremble. Let the earth be moved. Psalm 99:1. Lord, you have prepared your throne in the heavens, and your kingdom rules over all. Psalms 103:19. Let men bless the Lord in all places of his dominion. Psalms 103:22. Your kingdom is an everlasting kingdom, and your dominion endures throughout all generations. Psalms 145:13. Let men speak of the glory of your kingdom and talk of your power. Psalms 145:11. Let men know your mighty acts and the glorious majesty of your kingdom. Psalms 145:12. Let your kingdom come through deliverance. Matthew 12:22. Let the gospel of the kingdom be preached in all regions with signs and wonders following. Father, I receive the kingdom because it is your good pleasure to give it to me. Luke 12:32. Let the righteousness, peace, and joy of the kingdom be established in my life. Romans 14:17. Let the kingdoms of the world become the kingdoms of our Lord and his Christ. Revelations 11:15.